Hello friends, welcome back to another Premiere launch video. So today in this video I will share the detailed view of the control arm. So this video really helpful and you will get the proper idea about the control arm. You know the control arm is a part of primary suspension. So already you know it because there is a video related with primary suspension. You can check this video from the description box. This is the frame. You know the frame is here. So now you can see the main part of the control arm, which is the flexible joint. Here you can see it. Here is the elastic joint of this control arm, and from that particular place the control arm move up and down movement, because when a train running or runs over the track, at that time there are different types of jerk. To avoid this jerk, the suspension used. At the same time, here is a flexible part is control arm, which is, if I remove this frame you can see it properly. Okay, now it is much more clear to see this view. You can see this footage. Okay, and this is the flexible area. Okay, this is the elastic joint. You can see the elastic joint, right? Elastic joint, and total movement is from this elastic joint. Springs are help to the absorb the different types of jerk on the track. So it is a very important part of the primary suspension. So, and also friends, I will make a video related with this control arm with the different animation movement, so that you will get the proper idea. Okay, so here you can see the rubber pad and central disc also. You know ki central disc always maintain the alignment, central alignment. You can see the inner spring, outer spring, and also you can see the spring proper. You can see it here. You can see, okay, the bolts are, you know, also here you can see, and this is the central disc also. So this is a very short video, and I will back with this proper video related with this control arm, where you will get the proper content. So thank you so much. I'm sharing this model or footage for learning purpose. So if you like this video, please share your comment. So thank you so much once again. This is Chiranjit right now. I will meet another video. Till then, take care. Tata, bye.